In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Chime debit card to your Apple Wallet, even if you don't have the physical card with you. This process is quick and you can complete it in just about 5 minutes. Having your Chime debit card in your Apple Wallet can make transactions more seamless and convenient, especially when you're on the go. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and head straight to the Apple Wallet app. This app is represented by a black icon with a rainbow coloured stack of cards. Once you've opened the app, you'll want to look to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a plus sign icon. Give that a tap. After tapping the plus icon, you'll be prompted to add a card. In this new menu, select the option that says debit or credit card. Once you've chosen this, you'll need to tap on the continue button to proceed. Now you might be wondering about your Chime virtual card. This is the card you'll be adding if you don't have a physical one. You can find your Chime virtual card details in your Chime app under the section labelled Card Info. Make sure to have these details handy, as you'll need to enter them manually into your Apple Wallet. Follow the on-screen prompts in Apple Wallet to input your card details. Be precise with this information to avoid any issues with the setup. Once you've filled everything out, it's time for verification. Apple's system will guide you through this step, ensuring everything is a match. At this point, you may receive a verification code. This code could be sent to you either via SMS or email, depending on your Chime account settings. Keep an eye on your messages or email inbox, because you'll need to enter this code into your Apple Wallet app when prompted. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Sometimes it can take a moment to arrive. Once you input the verification code, the setup process for your Chime debit card should be complete. Your card will now appear in your Apple Wallet, ready to be used for purchases wherever Apple Pay is accepted. It's that simple. By adding your Chime debit card to Apple Wallet, you enhance the way you make payments and manage your finances, combining the security of digital transactions with the convenience of contactless payment. Whether you're grocery shopping or grabbing a coffee, having your card digitally available can make life a lot easier. Enjoy this handy integration and happy spending.